Experiencing rough idling, reduced power, or that dreaded check engine light in your Porsche? You could be dealing with a misfire. Call us today at 267-279-9477 for expert diagnosis. Porsche misfires aren't just annoying, they're costly if ignored. Common culprits include faulty ignition coils, worn spark plugs, or fuel injector issues. Unlike generic shops, we understand Porsche's sophisticated engineering. Our European-trained technicians use factory-grade diagnostics to pinpoint the exact cause, not just replace parts randomly. Misfires damage your catalytic converter and reduce fuel economy. Every mile driven makes repairs more expensive. We've diagnosed thousands of European vehicles across eastern Pennsylvania, building our reputation on precision and honesty. Visit doylestownautoshop.com or email doylestownautorepair@gmail.com. We're Eastern Pennsylvania's trusted European car specialists with decades of combined experience. Our diagnostic accuracy saves you money and gets you back on the road faster. Follow for real Euro repair advice.